The first step, we evaluate the glenohumeral joint and find that the articular side of the rotator cuff is intact. Then we move the arthroscopy to the subacromial space. After sacromial decompression or acromioplasty, the bubble sign is performed to confirm intratendinous rotator cuff tear. The tear morphology and delimitation range of the rotator cuff will be thoroughly evaluated with a probe. Then a portal beside the anterior edge of the acromion is established to insert the medial low anchors. The punch is inserted to open a pilot hole through the bursal side rotator cuff on the anterior margin of the tear, approximately 10 mm medial to the lateral margin of the rotator cuff. The assistant holds the cannula steadily while pulling out the punch until insert the ankle. The posterior medial ankle is inserted by the same way. On the posterior margin of tear, it should be noted that the assistant should hold the cannula steadily while opening the pilot hole and inserting the anchor. Otherwise, the pilot hole may hard to pursue. Pull away a suture from each ankle. Microfracture of footprint between the bursal side layer and the articular side layer is performed by palpating the bone substance with the perforating rod. Microfractures are performed every 3 to 4 mm of distance to a depth of 4 mm. Then the sutures are noted by the technique of double Pulley. Pull out one strand from anterior ankle and one strand from posterior ankle and tie in vitro. Another strand of each ankle are tied with a knot pusher. The lateral roll repair is completed in standard fashion of a double roll technique, retrieving the sutures from each medial low ankle, loading each lateral low ankle, and tensioning each limb independently to remove any slack of tendon. The anterior lateral ankle is placed and the tails of the sutures of the anterior lateral ankle are cut. These steps are repeated for the posterior lateral ankle. The completed bursal-sided transtendon double Pulley repair of intratendinous rotator cuff tear can be seen here.